This decadent chocolate chess pie is crispy on top and gooey in the middle. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to check to see what size my pie crust needs to be. So in order for me to do that, I am placing my pie pan on my pie sheet and I am looking to see how big my pie pan is, and then I will be going from there. Before I roll out my dough, I am spreading flour to keep my dough from sticking when I roll it out on the pie sheet. And girl, it's all about making my life easy. I am using store-bought pie crust. So let's open it up and let's roll it out with the rolling pin. Make sure that you poke holes in the crust to keep the crust from bubbling whenever you put it in the oven. You will be blind baking according to the directions that are on the box. I have added pie weights to the pie, and the pie weights also keep the crust from bubbling up during the baking process. So now we're down to my favorite part of the pie and the best part of the pie, which is melting the chocolate. So to melt the chocolate, I have added some water to a pan and I brought it to a boil and I placed a glass bowl on top. I am using 1.5 ounces of bitter sweet chocolate and 4 squares of unsweetened baker's chocolate. I have also added 1.5 sticks of butter total. So you're just going to melt this, and once it's completely melted, you are going to set it to the side to cool. So now I am cracking 3 eggs and I will slightly beat them with the hand mixer. Okay, so let's add 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of light Karo syrup, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so you see me adding some cocoa powder. That part was not a part of the recipe. I just was trying to be extra. So that part is optional and you do not have to add that. So we are almost to the end. So let's add in the melted chocolate to the mixture. You're going to mix that in, and once you mix that in, you can pour it into the pie shell. Bake the pie at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you are going to check the pie to see if it jiggles in the middle. If it does jiggle in the middle, you are going to bake it in 5-minute increments until the pie is completely done. This pie definitely looks as good as it tasted. So let me cut it for you, girl, so you can see what the inside looks like. Okay, so you see how that top part is flaking off? That means that it's super crispy, and that's how you want it to be. And if you look in the middle, it's ooey gooey. And when you cut into this pie, that's the way that you want it to be. Girl, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, help your girl out. Smash that like button on the way out. And don't forget to share and drop a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And that is the end of this video. And until the next video, peace.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. I saw that. Boy, all that like Keenan. I did that. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still trying to fight my demons. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it. seen it. Y'all just talk, don't live it. And just took that route, that seen it. I'm so outspoken like Reason. Jimmy Neutron, boy, young G's. And I'm a self-made man out of Sweden. And it's still off top, I'm tweaking. But I still gotta fight my demons. It's too easy, too easy, too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. With my eyes closed.